This video will show how to buy shares of Cuprina Holdings Cayman Ltd. Cuprina is a mining and metals company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CUPR. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker CUPR to locate the listing. Select the result that shows Cuprina Holdings Cayman Ltd on NASDAQ to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and view the price chart for recent activity. Confirm the listing reads Cuprina Holdings Cayman Ltd and the ticker CUPR to ensure it is the correct asset. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps.